Okay, students, so today we are going to start working on page number 88. In last class, we have done our work till page number 86. I gave you page number 86 in the homework. And now we are going to start working on page number 88. Okay, so what you have to do on page number 88? You have to divide them. Divide. Okay, again what you have to do? You have to divide. Okay, 86 divided by 6. अच्छा, अब हम पहले तो अभी तक हम जो डिवीजन कर रहे थे वो डायरेक्टली ही कर रहे थे, बट अब हमारे पास थोड़े बड़े नंबर, बिग नंबर डिवीजन आएगी. ओके, सो सी 84 डिवाइडेड बाय 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर ए है 84 डिवाइडेड बाय सी. यू हैव टू डू वर्किंग हेयर एंड राइट डाउन द आंसर हेयर. ओके, 84 divided by 6. Here we have 84 divided by 6. See, 6, does 84 comes in the table of 6? How you will find out this? How you will find out this? Because 86 is a bigger number. The table 6 का table 60 तक, 6 10 60 तक हमें आता है. We know that 6 10 60. 84 तक तो हमने याद ही नहीं किया हुआ होता टेबल, राइट? So what we will do now? We will broke them. We will break them. What we will do? We will break them. हम इनको break कर देंगे. इस नंबर को हम break कर देंगे. How we will break it? First we will take 8. First we will take 8. And we will find out that does 8 come in the table of 6? Okay. So 8 doesn't come in the table of 6, right? But what number comes smaller than 8 in the table of 6? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, which is bigger than 8. So what we will take? We will take 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6. 8 minus 6, when we minus 6 from 8, what we got? 2. Now we have 2, right? Now we have 2. 2 is smaller than 6, so we need another number. So we will take this 4 अंडर द लाइन. हमने इस 4 को ले लिया, ये 4 नीचे आ गया. नाउ व्हाट इट बिकम्स? इट बिकम्स 24. 6 4s are 24. 24 minus 24, nothing will be left. So the answer we got is 14. Now same like this, 91 divided by 2. We will write 91 inside and 2 outside, right? Again 91 is bigger than 2, the table of 2, because 2 times are 20. We know the table only till 20. So now here we have 91. So we will break it. First we will take 9. Does 9 come in the table of 2? No. But what number comes smaller than 9 in the table of 2? 8. 2 4s are 8, because 2 5s are 10 हो जाता है, which is bigger than 9. So we will take 8. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 9 में से 8 minus किया, 1 बचा. Now it is 1 and 1 is smaller than 2. So we need one more number. So this one we will take under the line. It becomes 11, right? 2. Does 11 comes in the table of 2? No. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. So 10. 10 is smaller than 11, which comes in the table of 2. So 2 5s are 10. We will take 10. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12 हो जाता है, जो कि 11 से बड़ा हो जाएगा. सो वी आर टेकिंग 10. 2 5s are 10. नाउ वी विल चेक समथिंग इज लेफ्ट और नॉट. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1, nothing. So 1 will be left and it will be our remainder, right? So the answer we got is 14. Answer remainder 1. 14 and sorry, not 14. 45. 45 is our answer. 45 answer है and remainder is 1. So 45 remainder 1 we will write. Okay. Now come on the next question. 98 divided by 7. Again 7. The table of 7 is till 70 and 98 is a bigger number. So we will break it. First we will take 9. 9 doesn't come in the table of 7. But what number comes smaller than 9? 7. 7 1s are 7, because 7 2s are 14 होता है, वो 9 से बड़ा हो जाएगा. So 7 1s are 7. 9 minus 7 2 will be left and we will take 8 under the line. So it becomes 28 and 7 4s are 28. So 8 minus 8 nothing, 2 minus 2 nothing. So nothing will be left. So the answer will be 14. Okay. नाउ जस्ट लाइक दिस यू हैव टू पेज नंबर 89. मैंने ये पहले से सॉल्व करके रखे हुए हैं, आप देख सकते हैं इनको. दीज क्वेश्चन यू विल सॉल्व इन द पी यूनिट ब्रेक. ओके, इफ you want to take the screenshot you can take. Pattern will be same. We will solve page number 89 by following the same pattern that we followed on page number 88, right? So 95 divided by 5 ये मैंने सॉल्व किए हुए हैं. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो स्क्रीनशॉट लेके इसमें से चेक भी कर लीजिएगा अपने आंसर्स. ओके, so you have to solve it in the p unit break and you know very well that what is p unit break. जो हाफ आवर आपको हर क्लास के बाद एक्स्ट्रा मिलता है, that is called the p unit break, right? So these 4 questions you will solve in the P unit break. Now come on the next page. Okay, so now we are on page number 90. Here we have to divide 170 from 5. Now again 170 is a bigger number. So first we will take 1 which is 1 is smaller than 5. So we will take 17. Okay, क्योंकि 1 तो नहीं ले सकते, 1 तो छोटा है 5 से, तो देन वी विल टेक 17 doesn't come in the table of 5, but what number comes smaller than 17 in the table of 5? 5 3s are 15 because 5 4s are 20 होता है, which is small bigger than 17. So we are taking 5 3s are 15. 7 minus 5, 2 will be left. 1 minus 1, nothing. Now 2 is smaller than 5, right? So we will take this 0 under the line. It becomes 20. So 5 4s are 20 and we got nothing. So the answer we got is we got nothing in the remainder and the answer we got is 34. Now we are dividing 145 by 2, right? So 1 is smaller than 2, so we will take 14. So 2 7s are 14, you know, nothing will be left and 5 comes down. ठीक है, 5 आ गया अकेले. So 2 does 5 comes in the table of 2? No. But what number comes smaller than 5? 4. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1 will be remainder, right? So the answer we got is 72 remainder 1. Okay, 72 answer remainder 1. Okay, now come on the next question. 408 we will write inside and divide it by 3. 3 we will write outside. Okay, so first we will see the first number 4. Number 4 is bigger than 3 or smaller than 3? It's bigger than 3, so we can divide it easily. So 4 के table 4 doesn't come in the table of 3. 4 3 के table में नहीं आता, but 3 आता है 4 से छोटा. So 4 1s are 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 1. Now we will take this 0 under the line. It becomes 10. 10 doesn't come in the table of 3, but 9 comes, which is smaller than 10. So 3 3s are 9, right? 0 minus 9 is not possible. We will cut it. We will write 0. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. And now we will take this 8. 1 is smaller than 3. So we will take this 8 under the line. It becomes 18. So 3 6s are 18. Right? 136 is the answer. Right? And no remainder is here left. No remainder left. Okay? So क्योंकि 18 6 are 3 6 are 18 हो गया. So nothing will be left. Now we will divide 800 with 3. 800 we will write inside and 3 outside. So 3 2s 8 doesn't come in the table of 3, so we will take the number that is smaller than 8 comes in the table of 3. So 3 2s are 6 because 3 3s are 9 हो जाता है, वो 8 से बड़ा हो जाएगा. So 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 2 0 we will write under the line. It becomes 20. 20 doesn't come in the table of 3, but 3 6s are 18 comes in the table of 3, which is smaller than 20. 0 minus 8 nothing. 0 minus 8 not possible. We will cut it. It will be 1 because we have to do subtraction here. 10 minus 8 2. 1 minus 1 nothing. Now here we got 2. 2 is smaller than 3, so we will take this 0 under the line. ये 0 हमने यहाँ लिया था and this 0 we are taking here. Again 20 नहीं आता, 18 आता है. So 3 6s are 18. What we will got? 0 minus 8 नहीं हो सकता, 1. 10 minus 8 2. 1 minus 1 nothing. So 2 will be remainder because we don't have more zeros or numbers here. अगर होते तो हम उसको नीचे उतारते, बट अब नहीं है, सो 2 हमारा क्या हो गया, रिमाइंडर हो गया. द आंसर वी गॉट इज 266 और रिमाइंडर 2. राइट. सो दिस इज द वे ऑफ सॉल्विंग रीग्रुपिंग डिवीजन. ओके, सो ये हमने रीग्रुपिंग डिवीजन कर लिया. नाउ कम ऑन पेज नंबर 91. Now we are on page number 91 and page number 91 is your homework and what you have to do in the homework. Okay, so don't forget to write, to mention the date on every page. मैंने शायद पीछे mention करना भूल गई that you have to write, you have to mention the date on the top of the every page. Today is 9 December, so we have to write the date. Okay, now what you have to do in the homework, see, you have to divide them. 71 divided by 4 and the answer you got, you have to match. जो भी आंसर आपके पास आएगा वो ऑप्शंस में होगा, उससे आपको मैच कर देना है अगेन. ओके, मैचिंग करनी है, सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं. इस तरह से यहाँ सेंटर में सॉल्व कर लें और देन जो आंसर आए करेक्ट आंसर से उसको मैच करना है. आंसर यहाँ पे गिवन है. ओके, तो इस तरह से आपको होमवर्क करना है. ओके, सो टुडे वी हैव डन अवर वर्क फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 88 to page number 91 and page number 91 is your homework. So don't forget to complete your क्लास वर्क इन द पी यूनिट ब्रेक. जो पी यूनिट ब्रेक वर्क दिया है वो आप पी यूनिट ब्रेक में कंप्लीट करेंगे. एंड होमवर्क, डोंट फॉरगेट टू डू योर होमवर्क. सो थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मी. जज़ाकल्लाह. अल्लाह हाफिज़. और अगर कोई भी कन्फ्यूजन होगी होमवर्क से रिगार्डिंग, सो यू विल आस्क मी इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. क्लास में आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं कोई भी कन्फ्यूजन हो. ओके, तो थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मी. जज़ाकल्लाह. अल्लाह हाफिज़.